Hey you guys, happy Sunday. I am at home baking. I'm gonna make some Valentine, I wanna say what are they called, Manuel?
They're called Valentine pies. Valentine pies.
Okay, we'll see how they come out.
And then, boom.
Hello. Today, Mom and me, we made pie. Not any kind of pie. Easter, Christmas, Valentine's. My brother, if you look over there, I give my brother my Pokemon for Halloween. I don't know why. Tell me what? Why you do that? Anyways, we made pies. Then you see right over here, these is Mom's. Look at them. She made one big one that you see. Man, Mari, take this. Bye.